Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Data Dispatch. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about C3.AI as it has just surpassed $40 and actually closed at $40.80. Could C3.AI possibly beat its most recent high on the 7th, hitting at that $42.19, establishing support level around that $40, or is this too high and we're going to see likely possibly a sell-off? Now, there could be many options here talking about C3.AI, but what's really important is to analyze this and compare it to other types of AI stocks and what's specifically happening with C3.AI, especially as it compares to the S&P 500. Now, what we've seen with these AI stocks is a lot of buying pressure. We're going to be talking about this and also highlighting its importance. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take everything I say with a grain of salt. Hit that like button for the algorithm and subscribe for daily videos if you want to see more videos regarding AI stocks and different types of stocks just in the market. Now, if we pop it up on the screen right here, like I said, we can see that C3.AI did close above that $40.80 and at the recent high here at that $42.19. You can see right here we do kind of have a support forming at that $40, kind of currently at a market cap at about 4.72 billion. Now, you will have some criticism coming into here saying basically, is this too high of a market cap compared to the revenue that the company has experienced? Remember, C3.AI is selling kind of these AI related products and these kind of software products. As more companies might get more interested into the artificial intelligence sector, will they utilize the products that C3.AI does have to offer? That's the big question in the play that we are seeing. But specifically looking at C3.AI, comparing it to the S&P 500, up 15.9%, you've seen C3.AI that actually climbs over here 225.6% within this year. Now, within that 225%, do you have a lot of speculation? Of course, we've seen this with many other AI stocks such as Microsoft, Apple, even Google, Tesla, big blue chip stocks that have getting more involved, less risky, less speculative. They have much more of a reputation trying to get their hands wet and basically get more involved with AI. You do have some of these smaller market cap stocks though, like C3.AI, that have played out for actually giving great returns for some of these early investors. Now, talking about will it come up and actually will it compete with possibly some of the other top players in the game like Nvidia, one of the top chip stocks right there. C3.AI, I will agree here with this article, it does have a lot to prove with its valuation. But with that and with the trend among the actual AI sector, will we see more buying pressure coming into C3.AI, possibly pushing back to that $50 value, possibly even higher? That's a big question. However, it does have a lot to prove with its revenue growth as it's been flat and those losses are still mounting. But one important thing to know is that C3.AI did actually beat its recent quarter expectations, and with beating those expectations, we've seen a lot of valuation coming into the stock. So with the next quarter earnings, it'll be exciting to see what C3.AI does, and will we see revenue growth? And the company is predicting revenue growth to accelerate actually over 15% at the midpoint of fiscal 2024. So at the richly valued, the price to sales ratio right now, which is of 16, will C3.AI be able to maintain this valuation of about that $4.72 billion market cap sitting at that $40, or will we see a sell-off? The question is here, could investors still get in, get a little piece of that pie, make some money, and possibly continue to grow their AI portfolio? As we do explore, we're going to be looking how C3.AI does kind of perform against some of the other speculative AI stocks. In my opinion, I think it's just kind of unreasonable to relate it to the top blue chip stocks that have really been around for a long time, that have lots of reputation and also a lot of exposure, not in just artificial intelligence, but into many other technological kind of pieces. Speaking of like AMD in the microchip sector, Nvidia, talking about GPUs, having a lot of exposure and now tapping into the AI sector, they do have a lot of things to fall back upon, and which makes them less speculative in nature. But with that, with C3.AI really kind of shifting its focus on artificial intelligence, will we see more valuation, and possibly is this still early for C3.AI? That will be a question that we can only answer with time. Take care, peace out, and I'll catch you guys later.